In this tutorial I will explain how to install Anaconda together with the PyQuante package. The purpose of this installation is to perform quantum chemical calculations on your computer using the Python programming language. First I will explain how to install Anaconda. Next I will show how to download the PyQuante package. After that I'll show where to download some test scripts that use PyQuante, and finally we will run one of these test scripts to run a Hartree-Fock calculation for the hydrogen molecule. This simulation is meant to test whether the installation is successful. Open a browser and go to anaconda.com/download. Click on Windows and download the Python version 3.7 installer. The installation package is relatively big, so I sped up the video. Open the installer and install the package on the hard drive. Note that the full installation size is about 2.8 GB. I had to change the destination folder to another hard drive. For advanced options, don't change anything and click on Install. The default settings are sufficient. Again, I have sped up the video. For me, the installation took about 6 minutes, but it can easily take up to 20 minutes if you have a somewhat older computer. The installer asks us if we wish to install Microsoft Visual Studio. Since Anaconda comes with an integrated desktop environment called Spider, I will skip the installation of Microsoft Visual Studio. Finally, I uncheck the two boxes and click on Finish. That concludes the installation. Next, we are going to install PyQuante using the Conda package manager. PyQuante is developed by Richard Muller, who is currently working at Sandia National Laboratories. PyQuante is an open source quantum chemical modeling tool. More information can be found via the link in the video description. To install PyQuante, click on the Start menu and type Anaconda prompt. Open the Anaconda prompt and type conda install -c rpmuller pyquante2_pure and press enter. After checking your environment, the program will ask you to proceed. Type Y and hit enter. You have now installed the PyQuante package. Let's test whether the installation was successful. For that, we are going to download some test scripts from the Github Repository of Eindhoven University of Technology. Open a browser and go to this link as seen here. Next, click on Download and download the complete repository as a zip file and extract it on your local hard drive. Click on Start, type Spider with a Y and open the Spider integrated desktop environment. Click on Open and go to the folder where you have extracted the repository and open the file called H2 in the folder HF. This file performs a simple energy calculation of the hydrogen molecule at the Hartree-Fock level of theory. To start the simulation, press F5. If the window with Run Settings for H2.py pops up, use the default settings and click on Run. In the bottom right console window, you should now see the output of the program. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.